Hello viewers, welcome to Around the World. I hope you have watched my previous videos. Today we are exploring Tatai Waterfall. If you like my videos, please follow and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hello viewers, today we will be exploring Tatai Waterfall. This waterfall is large rocky cascade located at the jungle setting of the Tatai river. All through the waterfall flows all year. In the dry season, it is possible to swim naturally formed pools at the bottom of the cascades. And due to the low flow, it is possible to walk across the ledge. The wet season, the waterfall is more spectacular with the engaged, white foam water running over a fall 4 meters long. The water is very clear as the source originates from the Cardamom Mountains, where human settlements are very rare. You can reach the waterfall by a boat or by road. We took community boat, need to cross the Tatai bridge to reach the waterfall. The journey took almost an hour with very pleasant and amazing scenery all along the way. The boat stopped bottom of the waterfall. Need to take a path inside the forest to reach top of it. With the help of our local guide, the way become easier. On the other side, local people created some shaded area where you can relax and enjoy the view. On the top, water is more calm with small sandy area and rocks where you can jump and enjoy swimming. Our boat guy prepared food and fruit. We had our lunch with the view of the waterfall. In the afternoon, we decided to kayak and explore other direction of the river, where the river very calm and the scenery is bit wild. At the end, we reach source of this river branch, and despite the rain, we really enjoyed our time. On the way back from the water source, we encountered wild honey nest. I have filmed one of the typical houses built in this river. You cannot say the houses is side of the river, it is actually in the water. It is built with wood and it is only accessible by boat. We will continue exploring Tatai. To watch my upcoming videos, please follow and subscribe. Thanks for watching.